Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple website using Visual Studio Code. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the basics of web development. So, let's get started. First, we need to open Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download and install it from the official website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you install VS Code, go ahead and open it up. We'll start by creating a new folder for our project. You can do this on your computer, and once that's ready, go to File, Open Folder, and select the folder you just created. We'll write our HTML code. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the basic structure of any website. Let's start by typing the basic HTML structure. walk through this code. We have the doc type, the opening and closing HTML tags, and inside there are two main sections, the head and the body. The head contains meta information like the title and character encoding. The body is where all the visible contents of the website goes. Next, we'll add some style to our web page with CSS. So, let's create a new file called style.css in the same folder. CSS to our HTML, go to the head section of the HTML file and add this line just before the closing head tag. Let's open style.css and add some basic styles. This CSS code will style the background of the web page, center the text, and apply some margins and padding. You can adjust these styles to fit your own needs. Now that we have created both our HTML and CSS files, let's preview the website. To do this, simply go to your index.html file and right-click, select Open with Live Server if you have the Live Server extension installed. If you don't have it yet, you can search for it in the Extensions Marketplace in VS Code. Alternatively, you can open the index.html file directly in your browser to see your website. And there you have it. You just create a simple website with HTML and CSS using Visual Studio Code. Of course, this is just the beginning. You can add more pages, create navigations, menus, and explore JavaScript for interactivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.